It's nice to spend a new year in the garden, and if you're hoping to expand or start a new vegetable patch, now is the best time to put your ideas down onto paper. Start thinking about all the veg you'd like to grow this year. Make a must-have list of the things that you know taste better homegrown and can be the most costly in the supermarket. Unless you have a large vegetable plot or even an allotment, it makes sense to plan carefully. Don't forget that where room is at a premium, you can grow most vegetables in containers. Though it's still too cold to sow seeds directly outside, there are plenty that you can start off indoors or in a greenhouse in February for early crops, such as lettuces, cabbages, cauliflowers, spinach, salad onions and turnips. Or if you maybe fancy trying some more tropical crops like chilies or aubergines, an early start is the best way to get them to produce a worthwhile crop. I love eating tomatoes, and like so many other vegetables, they taste even better homegrown. So I think these will be my first crop to sow this year. All you need for this is some seed compost, a seed tray, a propagator is ideal if you have one, though a warm, bright windowsill is fine too, and your chosen tomato seeds of course. I'm going with a variety called Costoluto Fiorentino from Franchi, which produces medium-large, old-fashioned, heavy, ribbed beef tomatoes. Fill your tray with good quality seed compost and sow the seeds with about 5 centimetres between each, so the plants don't touch each other as they grow. Cover them with a fine layer of compost and water your seeds gently. You can either place them in a heated propagator if you have one, or cover them with a clear plastic bag and put them on a warm windowsill. Your tomatoes should then germinate within 2 weeks. So what are you going to be growing this year? I hope I've given you some inspiration to get out there and plan your own vegetable garden, and that you enjoy the fruits or vegetables of your labour.